Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel Zika's Home. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to make that simple blouse that you just saw on my thumbnails with this material on my table. The length of the material is 27 according to the length of my blouse on the fold of 4, and then the width is 18. Mind you, I have folded this material into 4. This is because I'm cutting the back and the front together, and then it's going to be a cut together sleeve. So that's why I am making the width 18 to accommodate the shoulder and the length of the sleeve. Look at, I have already put it on a fold of 4. I firstly folded into 2, then I went ahead to fold it into 4. I'll go ahead and mark my waist measurement, which is the basic thing that will be taken on this blouse. Now my waist measurement is 36 divided by 4 is 8, and I'm going to go ahead and mark exactly 8 on the full length of the blouse, as you can see me do right now. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that I'm using a very stretchy material. It is a polo material that I got in the market, and it is very, very stretchy. The chalk I'm using is not showing, so I'll try to use my pencil to make it as visible as possible so that you'll be able to see it. Then from the mark of that 8 inches, I will connect to my armhole with a slant line. Then on the line I've measured, I will come on my armhole, I will go out by 1 inches, and then on my waistline, not really on my waistline, close to my waistline, I will come in, I'll come out by 1 inches, and I will connect it the way you see me do. At least you can see the way that the line is looking. Look at the connection I've made. So on the neckline, I'll be taking 2 inches as you're seeing me do. I'll just mark 2 inches and then connect it. Then I'm confirming to know if the sleeve and the shoulder are accurate. They are really accurate. That's 17 inches. Then what will I do next? I will go ahead and cut out, as you can see me do right now. Okay, here we'll have it. Look at my cutout. Look at the way it's looking. I'll go ahead and trim the waist part of it. Then I'll go ahead and open it up the way you see me do right now. Because I've cut the front and the back, because I cut the front and the back together, I will go ahead and recut the front because the front is supposed to be deeper than the back. So what will I do? I will go ahead and notch so to be able to identify the center or where the front begins or the center of the front. Then I'll go ahead and open it up like this. Then I will mark 1 inch. I will go down on the front area, the place I want to make my front. I'll go down by 1 inch and then connect it to the place I notched. Once I connect it to the place I notched, I'll go ahead and cut it to make the front neckline deeper. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and cut the facing. That is what I'll use to turn the neck area. So what will I do? I'll place the material I want to use to cut my facing down. Then the material I've already cut, I'll place it on top of the one I want to use and make my facing. Then I'll go ahead and trace out the neckline. After doing that, I will remove the material I've already cut, then and go ahead on the traced line I have done. I will go in, I will make a circle. I will make a circle measurement of 3 inches. As you can see me do, I'll mark 3 inches and make sure I make it to be in a circular form. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. Once I'm done cutting, I'll fold the cutout into two to enable me cut out the actual neckline out, as you see me do on the picture. Here it is, where we'll have it. So what will I do next? I'll be placing it on top of the main material that I'm using, right side facing right side, and on the wrong side, I am going to use my pin to hold the two together. Once I'm done doing that, I will take it to my machine, join it by half inch, join it by half inch. Then on the side, I will go ahead and join the two sides by half inch, and then hem the arm area, the sleeve area. I'm going to hem it by 1 inch. Once I'm done with that, I will come and show you what I have done. Okay, here we have it. I've already done that. I've hemmed the sleeve area, as you can see. Then I've gone ahead to also turn the neckline. Look at what I have done. I turned and then top stitched on the facing. Then I went ahead to also join the two sides of the blouse. But there's on one side I did not join completely to enable me. That's where I'll be attaching the band around the blouse that I want to make. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to go ahead and cut out the band. But before I do that, I'm going to take the actual measurement of the waist of the material I've just sewn together. That is what I'm doing, and the waist is 38. So what will I do? I'm going to cut out a band of 38, but I'm not going to be doing it exactly 38 because I'll be tying it. So I'm going to make it 50. I'm going to cut out a band of 50 length. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it into two. Then I will take 50 divided by 2 is 25. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 25. But what I'm going to mark out on my material is 26. The extra 1 inch I added is the seam allowance to enable me stitch it together. So that is what you're seeing me do now. I will cut it out. Once I've cut it out, I will the width measurement I measured is 4 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold it into two. But before I do that, I will take the measure. I will place the band on the material itself. So on the opening that I made, I'm going to notch the remaining part of the band, which you can see me do presently. Once I place the band on the top that I've made, I'm going to notch the remaining part. Make sure it goes round the top, the waist of the top. Then I will notch the extra. That is the extra that will enable me to tie it. Once I've notched that extra, I'm going to take it to my machine and then join the extra, as in the extra to the notched area that I made. Once I've done that, I will come and show you guys. Okay, here we go. This is what I've done. As you can see how I've joined it. I'll go ahead and turn it inside out. The places that I've joined together, that's the two places I've joined together. I will turn it inside out as you can see me do. Just watch me do it and I will show you what I have done at the end of the day. Okay, this is it after the turning. So what will I do next? I will take the one I have joined and take it, the place that I have not joined, I will take it round the material, the waist of the material, as you can see me do, and I will secure the band to the material with my sifting pin, as you watch me do right now. Once I'm done doing this, I will take it to my machine and then stitch it right round with 1/2 inch. Then I'll bring it later for you to see the end product. Voila, here we have it. What a beautiful outcome of the blouse. This is very, very beautiful. Mwah. If you enjoyed the tutorial, kindly give me a thumbs up, like my page, put on your notification bell to always get notified when we post a new video. I'm sure you enjoyed this tutorial. I am very, very sure you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and thanks for being there. Thanks for sitting through the tutorials. I love you guys. I love you so much. Your being here is not taken for granted. We'll all see you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.